Hello, my name is Prestige Gladden, and on today we're going to be discussing toxic workplace. In today's day and age, the job market is very endless. There are several jobs that people can apply for and work at. However, is the job environment friendly, fairly, or equally, or is it just toxic and makes employees not want to work? That's the job market. Number one, we have a harassment in the workplace. Harassment issues can make the victim feel unsafe at work. Physical harassment or sexual harassment can include groping, any type of touch that someone does not want. Unwanted sexual harassment makes the employees feel unsafe at work. For example, this image right here, we have the male coworker touching the female coworker, and by the looks of her face, she doesn't look comfortable. So what he's doing is not comfortable. This would consider sexual harassment. Second, we have discrimination. Discrimination causes a negative working environment. Discrimination should be reported immediately and to minimize the damaging effect. Discrimination is not only harmful to the person being discriminated against, but will also have a negative impact on everyone. Next, we have work-life balance. Work-life balance is separating life from work. Companies should require employees to respond to emails and phone calls only during the work hours. They should allow employees to live their best life and spend time with family and friends. Employees need a healthy balance between work and home to deliver their best performance at both. I most certainly agree with this one. Bad management. Companies should take steps to train the management roles. A positive business environment includes the presence of managers who are good role models for the employees. Unprofessional and overbearing and inappropriate bosses causes a trickle down effect that creates a lot of problems that could eventually turn into HR problems and legal problems. Providing insufficient training to staff can cause a burnout and frustration. They should be able to contact HR or development trainers. These professionals can access skills that employers lack and diverse development programs and training sessions to get them on track. This is what bad managers need to improve their work. They should measure the success of the managers by seeking evaluations from the employees. It is the key to see how the managers are doing. Incompetence at the leadership level can hurt moral and productivity. Some bosses' behavior can cause friction between employees, which is not good for the company. Next, we have motivation and inspiration. As a company, they should create an anonymous survey to see what best motivates the employees. It's very good to work with management team to create a rewards program system that drives the work team to work better and harder. It's also nice to have contests and rewards at work, but also a daily thank you to the employees each day, showing that you appreciate them for coming in and excelling and doing what they need to do for the company. But also, motivation is a two-way street. Employers must tap in to see what drives their employees. May struggle with motivation and give below average results. Employee recognition can turn from a project to culture just by acknowledging the employees daily. Next, we have a positive workplace. In order to succeed, a workplace must have a positive workplace. To stop the spread of toxic work environment by changing the environment around you, the company should create a peaceful space that should motivate their colleagues and improve communication and most importantly be themselves. And that for today is it folks on what toxic workplace is. Thank you.